This problem has to deal with Raoults Law, and really this is talking about vapor pressure. And remember, when you have pure water in a closed system or a closed bottle, some of those particles will start to evaporate. And they evaporate and will create a vapor pressure above the liquid. When you add something to water or any solvent, the space at the surface of the liquid is taken up by those giant solute particles. So not as many solvent particles can escape to the vapor phase. So this type of equation has to deal with Raoults law, and this is talking about the vapor pressure of the solvent over the solution is equal to the mole fraction of the solvent, and that's important to remember, times the vapor pressure of the pure solvent. So in working with these types of problems, this particular one, they want us to calculate the vapor pressure. So we're looking for the vapor pressure of our solution by the addition of sugar to 100 grams of water. And they tell us that the vapor pressure of pure water at this temperature is 23.8 torr. So first thing we have to do is we have to get this mole fraction of the solvent because we already have the vapor pressure. We'll go ahead and put that in here, 23.8 torr. So all we need is the mole fraction of that solvent. So mole fraction is our moles, and this time we're going to do moles of solvent because we want the mole fraction of the solvent over the total moles. Okay, so we'll have to calculate that. First we have to get moles. So I have 100 grams of sugar, sucrose, and take its molar mass. It's going to be 342.34 grams in 1 mole. So I end up with 0.292 moles of sugar. Then I need the moles of my solvent. I have 1,000 grams of water. So we're going to convert that to moles for mole fraction. 18.02, so 55.49 moles of water. So mole fraction of the solvent, so our water, is going to be the moles of water, 55.49, over the total moles, which is 55.49 plus the 0.292. Plug that into your calculator and you get 0.995 as my mole fraction. It doesn't have units. We'll plug that in here, 0.995. And we get that the vapor pressure of the solvent above the solution is 23.7 torr. So it didn't change it too much, just a little bit.